Welcome today. We will show you an easy way to install Google services on Huawei and Honor. All programs used in this explanation will be good in the description box of this video.